Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says, according to Bohr's atomic theory, which of the following relations is or are incorrect? And we have four statements. So here the key concept is Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model. So first जो statement है, that is kinetic energy of electron is proportional to z square divided by n square. Now for A, we know that kinetic energy जो है, kinetic energy is equal to 13.6 multiplied by z square divided by n square electron volts. Alright, so इसमें हम देख सकते हैं that kinetic energy is directly proportional to z square divided by n square. So statement A correct है. Then statement B में जो given है, the product of velocity of electron and the principal quantum number is proportional to z square. Now velocity का जो expression है, velocity of electron at nth orbital, this is given as 2.18 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 meter per second multiplied by z divided by n. And अगर हम यहाँ पर velocity में principal quantum number that is n इसको अगर multiply करें, so यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं Vn is proportional to z by n. And अगर हम Vn में n multiply करें, Vn multiplied by n is proportional to z. But यहाँ पर दिया गया है that this is proportional to z square. So this is incorrect. So statement B is incorrect. Now let us talk about statement C. Statement C में क्या है? Frequency of revolution of the electron in an orbit is proportional to z square by n cube. Frequency क्या है? Frequency is equal to velocity of movement or velocity of revolution divided by 2 pi r. And यहाँ पर r क्या है? The radius of nth orbit. So this is 2 pi rn. And as we know, radius of nth orbit is equal to 0.529 angstrom multiplied by n square divided by z. So यहाँ पर हम पुट कर सकते हैं rn is proportional to n square divided by z. And vn हमने देखा vn is proportional to z by n. So frequency is proportional to z by n divided by n square by z, which is equal to z square divided by n cube, जो कि यहाँ पर given है statement C में that frequency is proportional to z square divided by n cube, which is a correct statement. So statement C is correct. And अगर हम statement D की बात करें, statement D में given है coulombic force of attraction on the electron is proportional to z square by n fourth. So coulombic force को हम कैसे डिपिक्ट करते हैं? F is equal to K, एक constant, then Q1 multiplied by Q2 divided by R square. जो R है that is the distance between two particles. And यहाँ पर हम न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच में फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को देख रहे हैं. So Q1 is equal to Z multiplied by E, जो कि चार्ज ऑफ न्यूक्लियस है, and Q2 is equal to E. So and यहाँ पर जो R है that is the radius of the orbit, क्योंकि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो nth ऑर्बिट में प्रेजेंट है. So न्यूक्लियस और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है that is same as the radius of that orbit. So R is equal to Rn, and Rn जो है that is proportional to n square by z, n square divided by z. So यहाँ पर R square है, R square is proportional to n to the power 4 divided by z square. So यहाँ पर अगर हम सिर्फ proportionality को पुट करें, then force is proportional to Q1 Q2, that is z e square divided by r square के बदले हम पुट कर सकते हैं n fourth divided by z square, n fourth divided by z square. So this is equal to z square multiplied by z divided by n to the power 4. So we can say force is proportional to z to the power 3 divided by n to the power 4, जो कि correctly given है D में. So A, C and D statements correct हैं, and the only incorrect statement is in option number B. So option B is incorrect. This is the required solution, and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.